Welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in Proverbs 24:11-12. Rescue those being led away to death. Hold back those staggering towards slaughter. If you say, "But we knew nothing about this," does not he who weighs the heart perceive it? Does not he who guards your life know it? Will he not repay each person according to what he has done? If you see someone in danger, well, it's our duty to help them. If someone is sinning, well, we are told, friend, that rescue the person. Do what you can do to rescue the person so that he will not continue on committing sin. And you might say to yourself, "I don't know anything about it." Well, you cannot defend yourself, friends, of ignorance, saying that, "Oh, I don't know anything about it." Well, we are told, friends, that does not he who perceives your heart knows about it. He knows, friends, that you know it. He that guards your life knows that you know everything that's happening to that person's life. You cannot hide anything from God. And therefore, we are told, friends, that God will repay us according to what we have done. If you will not do anything, well, God will make you to account. But if you do something, God will reward you. And therefore, friends, let us be our brother's keeper. Let's help one another. Yes, there are times, friends, when it is beyond you to help them. But you can at least pray for them, lift them up to God, and translate it into practical actions. Calling them, pray for them. Well, friends, we are our brother's keeper. Yes, if we do that to others, others will do it to us too. They will repay us, friends, with the goodness that we do to others. Not necessarily from the same person. You might be helping a person now. Don't expect that person to help you back. The Lord will use somebody else, friends, in a different situation, in a different scenario, where you find yourself so in need. Those people will also be helping you, because God will move them to help you. So that today, friends, if you are moved by the Lord to help others, do so. Don't withhold it. Don't pretend that you don't know anything about the problems that they have. Well, we are told today, friends, that does not he who created you, does not he who knows your life know about the things that you know? He perceives your thoughts. He knows what's in your heart. He knows what's in your mind. He knows that you are just pretending because you just don't want to help somebody. And so why don't we extend a help to those that are in need? Amen. Those are truly in need. There are those that are pretending to be in need, and yet they are not actually in need, especially financially. Well, they might come to you saying that, "I need this and I need that." And you look at yourself, they are more prosperous than you. And so sometimes you hesitate to help because you thought that they might not really be in need. Well, again, I'll pray about it. It could just be a temporary need that they have. So why don't you extend a helping hand? So just pray about it. People might be in need, truly in need, and they just need a little bit of a help to lift them up from that need. And so, friends, today, look around who you can help. And if you are in need, then plead before God. "Lord, I need help." And God will send you the help, because someone will be touched by the Lord to come and extend a helping hand to you. And bless the Lord when it happens. Amen. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance and give you His peace, His shalom. God bless. See you again next time. Bye.